Do you have a pair of old cowboy boots that you're not using anymore? Today we're going to upcycle these old nasty boots and turn them into these cute boho boots by adding some fringe, a belt, and some decorative rivets. So I cut a 1-inch belt strip 18.5 inches long. I used an oblong punch to make a hole for the buckle housing and an acrylic template to make the end decorative. I also used a round punch to make holes for the buckle to go through. Here I'm adding hitched webbing to this belt blank. You can customize this with tooling, decorative rivets, or stamping. It's really all up to you how creative you want to get with it. I'm sure that this ain't your first rodeo on belt making, but if it is, be sure to check out our channel on more detailed videos on belt making. I cut a slit down the back of the boot to make it easier to fold. This is an optional step. And here I cut the fringe 13 inches long. This measurement will also vary with the size of your boots. I'm using a diamond chisel to make holes so that I can sew the fringe on for extra strength. I'm adding decorative rivets to my top fringe. Normally you would set these on a stone, but since they are decorative rivets, I'm setting them on the poundo board so that I don't damage them. I added the fringe and stitched it in place. Time to add the belts. Now we're ready to prance around like a baby Clydesdale in our fancy boho boots.